PBX Technical Training Communication Server 1000 Overview. Summary. What is a PBX? A PBX, or Private Branch Exchange, acts as a mini central office dedicated only to the customer that owns it. The lines running from the PBX to employees' phones are known as PBX extension lines and are owned by the customer. A PBX can often accommodate thousands of phones, enough to satisfy the needs of even the largest customers. Nortel offers the SL1000 to meet the needs of very large PBX customers. All internal calls are routed through the PBX and never go to the central office. If an employee places an external call, the PBX will route the call off the premises to the central office. However, if one employee dials another employee on the same PBX or another privately connected PBX, the PBX connects the two parties and the entire connection is inside the customer's private network. Hence, there are no charges from the central office for this call. One key advantage of a PBX is that a company does not need a public exchange connection for each employee, because only a small percentage of employees make external calls at any given moment. In typical companies, one outside line for every 10 extensions might be sufficient, although this will be dependent upon the company's own business. For example, at an airline reservation center, employees spend a majority of their time answering incoming calls from outside lines. Every business will have different requirements. The fewer outside lines needed, the more a PBX saves the customer in costs. Early PBXs provided a cost savings simply by reducing the number of public exchange connections by allowing them to be shared. Today's advanced PBXs are loaded with features, which are generally divided into two basic categories: system features and station features. System features are functions performed and controlled for the entire system, like voice messaging. Station features are functions performed for and controlled by each individual user, like call forwarding. Everybody expects high performance, instant processing of events, no matter the time of day, no matter how many calls are being made. Zero downtime. High availability, we're almost always ready to handle calls. Fault tolerance, we more or less keep handling calls in the face of many hardware and software problems. Emergency service. Those that own and maintain telephone systems expect hot swap, no single points of failure, no on-site maintenance personnel, reliable automatic fault recovery, alarm reporting, remote access